Mr. Dave here out in Alpine, California, and we are looking at a possible new job here. And I thought you guys might like to know some of the crazy things that pool builders are able to do. This is pretty wild. As you can see as I roll around here, the water level for the pool is going to be up here somewhere, and I'm standing here on this downhill slope, and I'll walk back a little bit to give you some perspective. So you can see the formwork is being established, and that is to give us the basic outline and perimeter of the pool, and it's floating out in space like crazy. They're actually going to bring the retaining wall that's to my left behind me, and they're going to bring that along right here and wrap it around, and so this whole thing will be backfilled. So the actual distance from ground elevation will be about 4 or 5 feet, I guess, across the top edge of that coping. And so let's take a walk. What we're talking about doing, which is going to be very fun, is putting in a very nice size grotto right over in here. And they talked about 7-8 feet height, stairs coming up this way, and then a slide that will wrap around and then get into this deep end. They increase the depth of that deep end area after moving the hot tub, which is this section over here. This right here, interesting shapes, very, very cool. And you can see the mini excavator over there, the Kubota, which they've been digging a lot of this out with, which is really amazing. So I have to design a water feature right here that has stairs that go up. They wanted a pond on top, a little kiddie pool, and then a slide that will come down and rotate into here. We're able to go all the way out here somewhere with our rockwork grotto wall, so that you can walk in and have this whole interior space in the water, 4 feet of water about, something like that, and then have walls up above. So the feature might be up here somewhere, and I'm thinking about having the slide come out that way. You can see the retaining wall there, maybe float out over that a little bit, and then spin around and then come back and do a nice big curl through the inside of the grotto, which would be so cool, into a big cave inside. They talked about a 7-foot, they talked about an 8-foot height. That's above the edge of the pool, right? So that's up here somewhere, and that suggested 7 feet is more than you need. We don't need to go 8 feet and make that big airspace and make this too bulky. But so we're going to have the slide starting up here somewhere and then spinning around, and they want to, have it just end up going into that deep end area right there, which is getting pretty deep. So amazing what pool builders can do. This is a pool by Keith Lowry and Associates here in San Diego. Another one of the amazing pool builders that I work with. I've known Keith for a long time. It's overlooking the 8 freeway out there, which you can maybe see in this wide angle view out there in the distance. That's going to Arizona, and that way down to San Diego. Again, we're in East County, San Diego, the Alpine area. Got the beautiful mountains and rock ranges and cliffs and stuff up here in Alpine. I just love it. Right now it's about 64 degrees. Absolutely gorgeous. Totally spoiled out here in California in the winter and spring, fall months. So anyway, Mr. Dave here on the rock pile. Hopefully, got to get a drawing to him and a sketch so we can get the project sold, get him contracted and lock it in. And it's only like 15 minutes to my house. Yeah! I love short commutes. So anyways, crazy new pool with crazy new rock feature. Hopefully, we'll see if we can get her sold. So Mr. Dave here out here, and just having a good time working on the very beginning phase of a project. Designing it, figuring out how things fit into the pool build. And so if I can get it done and get her sold, we'll keep the pictures coming, and we'll show you the process of this crazy one. This could be one of my bigger jobs, and so we'll see. Keith says the people are super nice, and so that really makes it wonderful. So I love working with good clients and that are kind and patient, and because I'm but one man and with a cause, a rock cause. So I hope you're doing well out there. If you want to find out more how we do this, you can go to davehenderson.podia.com, davehenderson.podia.com, and you can get some free downloads there and some more, work courses and stuff, and learn how we do this. And my blogs and links are at www.daverhenderson.com. daverhenderson.com. Learn more stuff. So hope you're doing well out there. Remember to be forgiving and thankful, I always say. Good thing to get really good at, those two things, and you will be a happy camper, and nothing will really ruffle your feathers. So, and you'll be a blessing to others. So have a good one. God bless. Thanks for watching my videos. Try to remember to subscribe, and maybe send a video to friends and tell them to subscribe. The more people I get, the more influence I can have, and hopefully brighten people's days with my strange, weird behavior, and make the world a better place. So a like button is good, and comments too. If you have any questions, let me know. So have a good one. Mr. Dave out here in Alpine. Hopefully gonna get a rock pile going here. All right, have a great one, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.